Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I am using the May Good Life collection from Pixel Scrapper, and I've printed out on the right side there one of the papers from the print kit, and on the left side is one of the pages from the Journal Me collection. So I printed those out and I taped them into my notebook. And now I will just look through my scrap box for some different papers to layer behind my photo, and that will be this layout all done. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.